What if I told you every single product video ad you are watching right now, from the luxury watch and premium perfume to the wine bottle and wellness drink, was created entirely with AI tools? No camera crew, no studio setup, and no expensive production cost. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create stunning AI video ads like this for any product. But first, watch each video ad till the end so you can see the creative possibilities before we jump into the full AI workflow.
Refresh, recharge, revive. Experience the vitality in every sip. Deep blue, liquid gold. The new essence of desire.
A toast to the finer moments in life. Elegance, captured in a glass.
Okay, the first thing I did was to select the product I'm going to use for the tutorial. For example, I have several products I want to advertise, and one of it is the wristwatch, and the second one is a wine. The third one is a perfume, and the fourth one is a canned drink called Live. So the next thing I did was to go to ChatGPT. You can see it here. I uploaded the first product, which is the wristwatch, and I wrote suggest 5 product image ad prompt, and animation prompt for the attached product. So this is what it gave to me. It gave me 5 stunning image prompts, including 5 animation prompts for that particular product. You can see this one. The first one is a luxury executive desk ad. You can see water splash performance ad, midnight gentleman lifestyle ad. So that is it. To the fifth one. So the second product was the wine. I uploaded the wine on ChatGPT, and I also wrote the same thing. Suggest 5 product image ads prompt, animation prompt for the attached product, which is the wine, and it gave me 5 different image prompts and animation prompt. The first one is luxury celebration. I did the same thing with the perfume. You can see I uploaded the perfume here. I wrote the same thing with the perfume. It gave me 5 separate image prompts and animation prompt. I did the same thing with the last product, which is the canned drink called Life, and this is what it gave to me. So that is how to use ChatGPT to help suggest uh, the image and the animation prompt for your product advertisement. So after this, the next thing I did was to move to Google Flow. Google Flow, Google Flow AI. Click on this. Yes, you see it on Google search. You click on Flow, labs.google Flow. This is it. Okay, it brings you to this interface. Then you click on Create with Flow. Then it brings to the next interface where you have to click on New Project. You can see it here. Click on New Project. You must have registered with your Google Gmail account. It will automatically bring you here. Okay, we are there already. This is where we are going to be creating our image ad and our video ad. But before we move ahead, let us select the image prompt and the video animation prompt that we need for this tutorial. And concerning the wristwatch, I want to suggest we use this. We use water splash performance. That is that for water splash performance. I copy this. That is for the wristwatch, the first one. Okay, that's splash performance. And the second one too. Let me see. Let's see. See the wine. For the wine, let's say we're going to be using Minimal Studio Prestige. Let's see. Romantic night gift, a luxury wine with coral label with a stone ribbon. Okay. And the camera glass. Okay, let's say premium pour. Okay, let us use premium pour moment art. Okay, let's copy this and paste it here. That's for the wine. So let's look for the next one, which is the perfume. Which one are we using for the perfume? Ocean Breeze Prestige. Okay. Okay. Let us use this for the perfume. For the perfume, copy this and we'll paste it here. There. Okay. Let's look for the last one, which is a canned drink. Okay. 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 Let's look for this. I think I want to choose this. This gold particle prestige. Yeah, for the perfume. Yeah, gold particle prestige for the perfume. And let me see. Let me replace it for the perfume. Okay. And the next one is which is the canned drink. I'll be using Ice Splash Energy Fitness Recovery. Okay, I'll be using Ice Splash Energy, which is it chills sparkling wellness water can exploding upward through ice cubes and sparkling water spark frozen droplet. Let's see the other one. Okay, I think number two is nice. Two is nice. Ice Splash Energy. I copy this and I paste it. Okay, that is nice. That is nice. Okay, let us start with the first one, which is the first one is the wristwatch. So the first thing we're going to do, just copy the image prompt for the wristwatch. You copy it now. You copy. How? Then we go to Google Flow. This is it already. We paste the image prompt here. We paste it here. We come to this place. We see Nano Banana. It is free. It is free. You click on image. The aspect ratio. This is a 16:9. How many images do you really want to create out of this? You can decide to create 2 of the images in order for you to choose the one that you want. Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro. Let me use Nano Banana Pro. So that is it. That is it. And the next thing you're going to do is to attach the image. That's the image, yeah, of the wristwatch. This is it. You double click, you attach it. If you are creating an image using Google Flow, Google Flow Nano Banana, you don't need to use any credit. It is completely free. So the next thing is to click on submit and let's see what it gives to us. Wow, this is nice. You can see what it gives to us. This is the wristwatch. This is the image ad for the wristwatch. So let us create the image ad for the next product. For the next product, and which is the wine. Okay, we copy this. The wine product. Let's see. We copy this. Then we go back to Google Flow. Paste it here. Then we are using Nano Banana Pro, which is free, 16:9 times 2. 2 images in order to choose the best option. Go here, then we upload. Look at this. Product B, that's the wine. We upload it here. Yes, then we click on submit and let us see the image ad it will create for us using Google Flow Nano Banana Pro. Oh, this is nice. This is good one. We can see that of the wine. This is nice. This is good. Okay. Oh, let us see a further suggestion. Is it better for the, let's say, for the wine product? Let's see. Let's look for another. Let's see. Let's talk about toy champion food. Okay. With golden sparkling wine, so cinematic style across the candy life. Mm, Fire story. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let me use number one for luxury celebration dinner. Yeah, for the wine. Let me use this for the wine. Let me replace this. I don't think I like the other one. Let's see what it gives to us this time around. Let's see for the wine. Yeah, for the wine. Okay, let us use this prompt for the wine. Okay, so we can delete this one. We can delete this one. Uh, we can delete this one. Then since we've uploaded uh, the product already, we can come to these three dots and click on add to prompt. Then we paste the prompt there and see what it gives to us. We want a different dimension, a different dimension. The last one looks similar to the image we uploaded. It will be similar to it. So let's see what it gives to us this time around. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, this is good. This is good. This is good. This is nice. Okay, let's move to the third. Let's move to the third image. Let's see. Let's move to the third one, which is the perfume. The perfume. Let's copy the prompt for the perfume, and let's go to Google Flow. Let's paste it here. Okay. Then we upload the image. Upload here. This is it. The perfume product. Wow, that's nice. Let's submit. Let's see what it gives to us. Wow, this is it. This is nice. This is a good one. This is nice. This is cool. You can see it here. Okay, that is nice. That is nice. That is perfect. So let's look at the last product, which is a canned drink. Let's look at the image ad for the last product. Then we paste the prompt here. Then we upload the image, which is a canned drink. Okay, I think we are done with the canned drink. Oh, this is a very powerful, a very, very powerful image. Oh, we have this. Okay, we have all the images ready from the wristwatch to the wine, to the perfume, and also the canned drink. You can see these stunning images, powerful image art using Google Flow Nano Banana Pro. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to animate. We are going to be animating each of these images. So let's start from the first one, which is the wristwatch. Then we'll copy the animation prompt. You copy it, then we go to Google Flow. Then we can decide to choose one of this, one of this, one of this, one of this, one of these images. Oh yeah, we can decide to choose one. Which one am I to choose now? Okay, let me choose this, and then I look at these three dots. I choose the three dots, then I click on what? Animate. Then I paste the animation prompt. I look at the aspect ratio 16:9, 16:9. Then just once. Then that's generation. We use 10 credits. I'll be using VO 3.1. No, I'll be using VO 3.1 Lite. So to manage my credits. So the next thing is to click on submit. and let's see the video hatch, the animation aspect of the hatch. So let us look at that of the wristwatch now. Let's see if it is ready. Wow. Now the that of the wristwatch is ready. Let us view it very well as we continue to create the other ones. You can see, and that is exactly how I did the rest of the images. I copy the animation prompt, then I click on the image, then I pasted the animation prompt, and I went ahead to animate, and it gave me this video arch. Thank you very much.